Go. Hi guys, this is Larry from Larry Life, and tonight I'm going to be showing my brand new cruise ship that just came with this box. Now I already unboxed it, and I know you'll see. And I'm just doing the camera. I don't have cameraman Daddy. Oh, actually there he is, doing the cat litter.
Hello.
So yeah, and also I have my Queen Mary 2, which I will showcase in another video. So here's the top, what it looks like on the box. I'll show the box first, and then I'll show you what it looks like. And Mommy, say hello for the YouTube video.
Hello.
Yes, and guys, Mommy's on the side. It's so cute. So cute. Metal plastic parts. 1720. And there's a cruise liner. Now here's the back of it, and here's the back of the box. You can see the little propellers, which you will be seeing. Now here's what it says. Alright, now I'm going to showcase, since I showed you the box, which I just got to say, dun, dun, I'm going to show you the ship. Here it is, dun, 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 dun. Aida Lunu. And you can see the Aida Lunu is actually a pretty cool ship. Now I know all you guys probably want to see the propellers. So, let's look under it. As you can see, it has 2 regular propellers and 2 rudders. And it has a back, like right here. Sorry guys, this is a little blurry. Alright, on the bottom it says LR and that stuff, made in China. CQ, the company. Says yeah. And my Queen Mary 2 one is made by the same company. I put it in the water, but it does not float. This one has 2 bow thrusters, if you can't see there. A lipstick and eyes. See one eye on each side. Lipstick, the line, and the lifeboats. And then the top where the pool and the smokestack is. Back. And 2 little jacuzzis in the rooftop. The bow and the bridge. So yes. In the back it says Aida Luna. www.alua.or. Actually it says, yeah, A. Lifeboats, life rafts. So yeah, that's really all to show you of my new ship. And don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check me out on Facebook, and I'll see you all later. Bye!